It Love Cove. Beautiful, crystal clear. Chef's kiss. Okay, a botanist could probably tell me better, but I just saw this on the side of the road. Tell me this isn't edamame. This is edamame.
Don't eat it though.
I'm not gonna eat it, but look, it's definitely some kind of edamame. Thought about eating it, but juice ain't worth the squeeze on that one. We haven't seen a ton of hospitals. There's like emergency care centers, but not much more. There you are, loops. The loops. Melissa pointed out that they don't look exactly like the other lupins. That looks like something. Well, we won't say it, but looks like something that can be broken down and rolled up. Does look pretty inviting though, I gotta tell you. I got my toes in the sand. Water's so clean. I don't think there could be like this whole country, like everything is so pristine. There's not really litter anywhere. The history says it's only been inhabited for what, 700 years that they know of, but then industrialized, or the Western people, Europeans, have only been here for what, 200 maybe? I guess Cook found it in the 1700s, so it was only been inhabited for the last 200 years, and I mean, not enough time or people or industry to make enough pollution. So it's very, very well taken care of. You love it. You do not see litter anywhere. That's the way it should be. This reminds me of the swamp. And the swamp is home. Look at, the swamp is never that blue though. You can never see that much. If this isn't New Zealand, I don't know what is. We have these out here in the road too. Every time in the US you have like a scenic drive, you approach it and it says scenic drive. There has not been one drive we've been on that isn't scenic. Could we live here? Yes. Would you completely lose yourself to nature? Yes. Is that a bad thing? No. Notice the precipitation really follows the mountain. The clouds following the mountains. Makes sense because the sun definitely feel it at this low latitude. Just feel closer to it for sure. Also, we're really close to the solstice. It's winter solstice for us in the northern hemisphere, December 21st. Down here it's the summer solstice, the longest day of the year. The snow caps on all the mountains. Obviously, it's getting cooked by the sun all day long, and the cycle of precipitation continues. The next thing we want to educate ourselves on is geology, after all the different kinds of rocks and stuff here. And it's funny because you're like, study of rocks, oh how boring. Could it be more interesting? It tells you everything you need to know about the natural makeup of a place, its age, everything. Saw this on the side of the road, decided it needed to be climbed. 6:13, let's see how long this takes. Ow. Ow. Oh, that got me good. Ow. Actually, I don't think it's doable or smart because the down is gonna suck. Let's go back. A little barbed wire. Never hurt anybody. Let's go through. Look at this guy. Flies into the car to eat the chips I dropped. You have to respect the hustle. Look at him. And he gone. Now that's commitment right there. Wow, look at him go. The masculine urge to dig. Insatiable. There's the famous Wanaka tree. Happy sunset. Well, happy going to the mountain sunset. There should be a word for that. Maybe there is. A word for when the sun sets because it goes behind the mountain. The sun really sets at 10 p.m.
He thinks he's good.
Yeah.
Good try, good try. Now you're just returning all these rocks back to the ocean.
Science. Wanaka sunrise. About to go do Mount Aspiring.